Welcome to GetonAgain CAD online lessons. Today is teach you make suit. Draw the center line. Draw a horizontal line. Draw side line. Modify the line. Again. Modify the line. Compare the lengths of these two lines. Click F9, measure full line. Left, right, left, right. Show the length difference here. Use it to extend the line length. Left-click this line. Tick it. Tick it and write this number. Move the mouse on the point and click Enter. Affect the point. Draw a line. Draw pocket line. Add a point. Add new one. Affect point. Connect points. Pressing Shift and right button on the point. Again. Draw lines. Use it to make corner. Add points. Add midpoint. Draw a vertical line. Add points. Connect point. Draw a vertical line. Add a point. Affect point. Connect. Draw side lines. Compare these two lines. Click F9 measure full line. Use it to extend the line length. Same as this number. Connect. Thanks for watching.